So you're talking to your child about something serious like their behavior or maybe wanting to teach them something important, and they act silly or foolish, or maybe they're just not paying attention on purpose. They make faces and laugh and squiggle around and etc. What can you do to stop them from acting like that and have a serious conversation? In this short video, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to teach your child to listen carefully and with serious thought, even one as young as toddler age. Hi, I'm Holly McLean, the Mommy Answer Lady. I'm a certified parent educator, mom of 9, and author of the book and online course, How to Train Your Child to Behave. On this channel, you will find new weekly step-by-step instructional content to help you become the most effective parent you can be. So please subscribe right now. It's frustrating trying to tell your child something you think is important when you feel as though they aren't taking you or what you have to say seriously. Here's what you can do to change that. Number 1, let them know they are not ready to talk. If you're trying to have a serious conversation and you can see your child is not listening, acting foolish, or otherwise distracted, stop the conversation immediately. Let them know you are aware they are not ready to talk yet. Tell them what you have to say is important. You have to make sure that they are listening, and you can see they aren't ready to do that right now. Number 2, send them to a quiet spot. Tell them they're not in trouble, but since they aren't ready to listen and what you have to say is important, they will need to go to a quiet spot. This could be a place you designate, and they will need to calm down. When they come back to you, they will need to be completely ready to listen, to look you in the eye, and pay attention to what you have to say. Now remember, this is not to get them in trouble. It is just to let them know that you are serious and that it is up to them to control their own behavior. You are simply giving them time to get a grip on it. Tell them when they're all ready to come back to you. Number 3, make sure they have no distractions. While they're sitting in a quiet spot, make sure that they're not able to do other things. It's important that they spend that time thinking about how they can get out of this situation. In other words, they want to get back to playing or doing whatever it is they want to do. But until they're ready to listen to what you have to say, they need to sit there. This will motivate them to want to complete this session, and they know they will have to be serious to get that done. How long they take to sit there is up to them. When they're ready to behave while you have a conversation, things can move ahead. Number 4, make sure they are actually ready. When they come back to you and say they are ready to listen, look them in the eye and ask them if they're sure. You will be able to tell by the look on their face and their body language. If you start to converse and they start acting silly again, don't continue. Go back to step 1 and go through these steps again. Number 5, talk on their level. Remember to make sure your conversation is on the comprehension level of your child so that they can understand. They are more likely to act silly or foolish to cover up the fact that they have no idea what you're saying and just want to go play. Number 6, keep it short. Children don't enjoy long, drawn-out, serious conversations unless they initiate them. So get to the point quickly and give them the information they need in as concise a fashion as possible. Number 7, ask questions. Make sure to ask your child questions at the end of the conversation to make sure they understood what you talked about. This also engages them and helps them learn good communication and social skills. Number 8, appreciate their cooperation. Once you have had the serious conversation or told them what you needed to tell them, make sure and let them know you appreciate that they were so grown up that they could get control of themselves and come back and talk nicely. Tell them they should be proud of themselves for taking charge of their own behavior. Has this video given you some real step-by-step guidelines to help you be a more effective parent? If so, don't forget to subscribe and share. Parents, you can do this. Thanks for watching.